Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Boiler Fix. I've been asked to have a look at this Worcester-Bosch. I don't think it's ever been serviced. But anyway, they've asked me to have a look at it because it's leaking from the right hand side. So I'm going to diagnose it and repair it hopefully, and I'll be sharing that with you in this video. Now there's loads of cobwebs on that. Man, I don't think anyone's opened this boiler for the last 15 years. It's probably 10 years old. So I'm only going to do what I've been asked to do, which is repair it. Right, I can't see anything blatantly obvious right now, and I think they've isolated the cold water inlet pipe underneath the boiler, and the only clue I've got is they've got a butt key underneath it with a glass full of water in it. So anyway, let's turn the domestic hot water isolation valve into open position and let's see what happens. Nah, that's not a water leak. That's like a waterfall, that is. Look at that. I think that must have been happening. They must have been leaking for the last 6 months, and they must have been using the tap water, or isolating it, using the tap water, opening the isolation, choosing it, having a shower, then isolating it again. And that must have been going on for the last 6 months. So finally they had enough. Right, let's isolate it, open the tap, drain the water out, and let's sort this out. Right guys, I've taken the old one out, put the new one in, and I'm going to secure it and then clip it. That's like a 15 minutes job, but with my video making it's taking me 3 hours. Only joking. Now guys, you get a free fiber washer with the kit, so always change it. Last thing you want to do is come back a few days later, it's leaking. Guys, if you got a broken down boiler in Birmingham, Solihull or the surrounding area, we repair all your favorite boilers from Baxi, Biasi, Ideal, Worcester-Bosch, Vaillant and many more. We repair domestic and commercial. We also do landlord gas safety certificates and boiler service. We repair Gledhill boilers too, tank systems, Y plan and S plan. So if you got a broken down boiler, don't suffer in cold, give us a call. So guys, it's all done now. We're ready to test it. I'm going to open up the isolation, domestic hot water isolation, and it looks like it's working fine. It's not leaking. I'm going to tie the tap out, and that's basically done. Change the adapter and it's all working fine. So till next time, Birmingham Boiler Fix. Finally, the leak is sorted, but I'm just testing the hot water out now. The boiler hasn't fired up. Now what's the matter? It's times like these I hate my job. Oh yeah, I forgot to connect the domestic hot water turbine. Guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Till next time, stay positive, keep smiling. Hopefully that'll keep you happy. And if you enjoyed the film, don't forget to like and subscribe.